Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at the Reports tab in Simplebooklet and the different ways you can understand how readers are interacting with your content. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to find the booklet that we want to review and click Reports. The snapshot opens by default and gives you a quick overview of performances across the 4 stages of your audience journey. So as you can see, we have our awareness card here, which shows how many people are finding and opening your booklet. We have our attention card, which shows you how deeply readers are engaging with your pages and interactive content. We have our action card, which tracks call to action clicks. And our satisfaction card, which shows things like return visits and estimated print savings. At the top here, we also have our date range selector to help you choose the period that you want to analyze. So you can pick from one of these options here or do a custom date range. And then below the snapshot, we have our insight report, which you can generate with AI, which is very cool. This breaks down a little bit about what you can see in there, but it will show you how readers are actually engaging with your content, where your audience is coming from, where they are focused on in your booklet, as well as some next steps to take your booklet to the next level. So a very cool new feature we just dropped. Then under that, we have our performance data file, which you can download and then use with an AI assistant. And then just below that, you can access your previously generated reports down here. And you can also dig deeper with individual reports for things. On the left-hand side here, we have an open section, as well as referrals. See where your audience is coming from. We have a page views and time section. See how much time people are spending on each page, things like that. We have our nav bars and actions section. See where people are clicking in your booklet. And like I said previously, you can change the date range for any of these if you want to focus on a specific time period. And then under the action section here, we have contact form results. So if you had a contact form set up in the contact section of your navbar, this is where you would come to find those submissions, as well as if you had a lead gate set up, all the results would be over here. Forms as well. You can check your followers, keep track of your passwords, your verified emails as well. And we also have a section for Google Analytics at the bottom here if you want to set that up. Each report focuses on a different part of the reader experience, making it easier to see where your audience is coming from, what they're engaging with, and what actions they're taking. The Reports tab gives you the data you need to understand performance and make better decisions about your content. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.